So today we're going to do facial yoga massage, okay? Now it can be quite tiring, so take it gently and we'll go very gently through it and we'll mix it up, okay? So that we're not overdoing it with the stretches and stuff because the face can get tired. Now in the face, you have loads and loads of muscles, right? And they're going all different directions. You have them, they're up here, there's muscles going around the eyes, there's muscles, so they go out this way. Then they come down this way, and then they come up this way, and then they come up this way, okay, from your chin up to your lips, okay? So you've all these different muscles. So what we do, we need to just give them a little bit of care so the muscles are getting a little bit of flexibility. Now we're going to do a couple of little exercises just to loosen everything out, okay? So the first one is great big yawn, right? So just do a great big yawn. Oh, okay, big yawn. Okay, big yawn. Another one. Oh, big stretch. Oh, yes. Stretch it all out. So that's your first, big one, right? And that's exercising these muscles going up here, right? And all these ones down here. So what we want to do is you're going to get your tongue. There's going to be 10 points around your mouth, right? And you're going to exercise them from inside your mouth. Right? So you're going to put your tongue in your cheek like that, okay? And then you're going to work your way around the mouth, right? You can go anti-clockwise if you want. Whichever way you go, you'll be going the opposite way on the way back, right? So there's 10 points. You go, and work your way around. So you're going, So I'll count them and you go around. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll do that again. So it's 1, 2, you just move a little bit in your mouth, right? On each one, it'll get you 10 points going around. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're going to go the other way around. Whatever you go one way, you have to go the other way. So start on the other side of your mouth, right? Or you can start this way and go just down and around or up, whatever way you went. First, you do the opposite now. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Go around again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what that does is just loosens out the muscles. So you're getting a movement into your muscles. Okay. Now, the next one is, let's see now. You can go just as if you're blowing up a balloon, but you're not going to bring out the air. So you're going to, like that. Okay, so it's, do it 5 times. Now you can do it on either side. So do it on the left. And on the right, So that blows again. That's very good for your in here, the muscles, to keep them worked, right? Will help to keep your cheekbones lifted, because your cheekbones, they go just parallel to the nose, right? So there they are. And then there's another point down here. So you'd have a triangular, right? But as you get age, you lose elasticity and the cheekbone will drop a bit, right? So to keep it up, there's certain exercises you can do like those, The next one, you put the tongue on the roof of your mouth, okay? And you literally just put it on the roof of your mouth and then just massage a little bit on the top of your mouth. That actually is an area where there's nerves and it benefits the body enormously, Okay. All right. So you can do that. Now we'll do a little bit of a massage. So like I said, there's muscles going all the way up here, right? So you want to exercise those. So what you're going to do is you're just going to pinch your way up there, right? Just up and down there, okay? And then you're going to rub up along there, okay? And then you're massaging your jaw there. And that helps to just work the muscle so that it gets a bit of care, and then just pat it a bit. Okay, so you're working that. Okay, and as you work your way up, you can work your way down the neck. So you can come down the neck, just patting down the neck and rubbing down the neck. Okay, because that also works with drainage. Okay, so you'd have all these different lymphatic drainage points there, so it's good to get that rub down the neck. So you go up here around the ear and down the neck. Okay, do the same on the other side. You kind of pinch, and then you go rub it up, okay, rub it up, and then over the ear and down the neck. Okay, because you can't forget the neck, right? So you go down either side of the neck, okay? Then you can come up the neck. Just rub it up like that, up. Okay? Go from side to side, okay? And then the chin, you can pinch the chin all the way around. Give it another pinch, okay? And then you can just give it again, wipe up. Just rub it up either side, okay? Okay, now there's points here from the mouth that go up. You can go up there from just the mouth there and up. Okay, straight up like that, and from the nose over. Okay, and then from the eyebrows just on each side of the eye. Just rub them out a little bit gently now around the eyes, because the eyes are delicate. And then from the eyebrow up, this is a good one. The eyebrow up is very important. You can give that a good old rub up there on either side. Okay. And then you can, I have to put on glasses because I can't see a thing without the glasses. Excuse me, just in there. It's like the end of the eyebrow. I'll take those off because I can't. Just the end of the eyebrow. That's a sinus point. If you're touching that and it's delicate, it means that your sinuses are a little bit off, right? So you're just going to gently rub that out. That'll help your. Just give it a little bit of a jiggle there, just there, and then work your way out along the eyebrow to the edge of the eyebrow, and then just a little flutter, because you want to be very gentle with the eyes. You don't want to pull them or anything. Just a gentle little flutter, then in an inward position, because that's the way the eyes go. They go around from the nose out, and then around and down like this. So any fluids or any drainage there that you want to, that could be kind of gathering and stuff, you're very gently tapping it so it gets a little bit of movement and vibration into that area. Okay. Okay, same with the other side. Just a little bit gentle, very gentle tapping. Okay. Okay. Now the forehead, then you can do it like this, right? Get your hand over to and just place it there on your eyebrow and on your center there, and just go back up like this. Okay, pull it back, and again pull it back. That's good. Okay, and then you go to the center like this, place a hand on the forehead like this, and out. Okay, back in the middle and out. Okay, so you're wiping all that away, because that's the direction it goes in. Goes from the center out. Okay, and down. Nice and gently, and include the eyebrows there. Okay, get it all done. Good. And then come down to your chin. Okay. Now, let's see. I'm going to do the head next. Okay. The head is very, very important. The head has so many nerve endings, it's not even funny, right? So if you can get like your hands like claws, right? And just put them on in the hair and just give yourself a nice head massage, okay? There's so many acupuncture points and nerve endings here. And get the back of your head as well, right? And work your way around, come down around near the ears, work your way around and up the back, over the front, just get it down there and down the sides. Don't worry about your hair, it's all right. All be good. Okay, and go down the back of your neck, okay, as if you're just combing down your hair down your neck. Okay, so come down either side of your neck. Now get your hand, whichever one you want, and put your hand over to the other side. See what I'm doing here? I have my hand across, yeah, across the back there and over the, and pull that over to the other side. Okay, so you're doing that. Do that nice and gently now. Don't pull too hard, but just over to the other side. Pull there. Now get your other hand and do the same thing on the other side. Get your hand and put it on there and pull over back. Okay. Nice rub and loosen up all those. You're just gently maneuvering all the muscles, but you're also hitting the acupuncture pressure points. And that actually helps enormously, right? Then get your hands and interlock them like that. Okay, and put them on the back of your head there with the little kind of, you know, when you get to the end of the skull and there's kind of a little indent, just go in there and then get your thumbs, right? And go down the side of your neck at the back. I'll turn around so I can show you. So you're interlocked like that. Your thumbs are on either side of the neck and you're just going down like that. Okay? Down like that. Okay? So many muscles in your neck. Okay? Now, the next one I'm doing is, there's you know, when we were babies and our skulls kind of had a hole in the middle and it joins here, right? Okay, so you're in the middle, like you're parting, right? And you put your hand on either side and push down and push apart. Okay, so push it apart and then back, relax. And it's in the middle, push apart. This actually wakes you up a bit. Push apart. And if you want at night, you can do the opposite way. You can close it, doing it the opposite direction. Okay. So for now, we're going to open it because it's during the day and we want to be awake. So apparently you just put the fingers on the parting and push. And the skull will actually move. It will actually maneuver. Okay. So doing that. And then just, that's enough now with because your arms will get tired from being up there all the time. But it's a lovely one to do. It's lovely to be able to massage your head like that, and you get such a lovely feeling off it. Okay, the next one, the next exercise will be to blow a kiss, right? So you're just going, mwah, but you're lifting your chin at the same, mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, mwah. So you're blowing kisses to everyone, mwah. Okay. That's a lovely one. And then we're going to kiss the ceiling. So that's going to stretch all of this. So you're going to go right back and down again. Right back and down again. Okay? Right back and down again. Not a few of those. And right down, right back and okay? That's a nice one. It's very good for here. Very good for here. Because as we get older, the old wrinkles come, unfortunately. I've noticed them coming quite regularly now these days. Between that now and the grey hairs, it's like, ah, lads, come on, this is going to be on the joke. Okay, so that was that. Okay. Next one is the old lady who's toothless. Oh, bum 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 bum. Just make up some song. Doesn't have to be any song in particular. Bum 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 bum. Super, super duper duper. Okay, so the next one is you press your top lip against your teeth, but halfway down. So you're kind of going like that. Okay, and do the same on the bottom. They're pushing the back like that. You're moving your jaw. See? That's really good for these cheeks to keep them plump. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. So we're going to move the jaw up and side to side. Okay, so it's amazing how tight these can get from if you grind your teeth and all that kind of thing. Yeah, so you go, just move your bottom jaw. You notice your top jaw doesn't even move. It's all your bottom jaw. So and that all connects up here, right? There's a hinge up here. If you put your hand back here to the jaw, it all moves. Okay, and side to side, and you can go around in circles, and back the other way. I swear I haven't been drinking. Only my tea. Only my tea. Oh God, yeah. Oh, okay. So eye yoga. You sit back, right, and look straight ahead. Right, I'll take off my glasses for this. Okay, look back. Then you look up to the right as far as you can. Try and see if you can see how far you can see. Right, you keep your nose pointed forward, right? Okay, and back, then up to the right and back, up to the right and back, up to the right and back. Now you're going to go left, up to the left and back, up to the left and back, up to the left and back. Now you're just going to go straight up, down, down. You're trying to keep your head straight. Now, I want you to go down to the right now, down to the right and up, down to the right and up, down to the right and up, down to the left this time, down to the left and up, down to the left and up, okay, down to the left and up, okay. Now, just loosen out your head there, move it around a bit because it can be tiring this, right? Okay, I'm going to do a nice little massage now after this one. So, okay, so if you lift your head back, right, so you're looking up to the ceiling, throw your eyes over to the right, see the corner of the right, see the left and the corner of the left, and right and left, and right and left, okay, and down again. Okay, these are really, really good for strengthening up your eyes. I noticed over the years with the ME, the ME actually affected my eyesight. I went into Specsavers and I had 20/20 vision, and they said there's absolutely nothing wrong with your eyes. And I said, well, there's something going on. And they said, well, we're getting 20/20. So I went to a specialist, and the specialist said, it's not your eyes, it's the ligaments and the muscles around your eyes. So doing little exercises like that you know, going around. If you're lying in the bed, just going around the four corners of the room, looking at the four corners, come back. And when you put, you can do it straight forward and go up and back and down and right and left. And when you put your chin up like this and you do it, you're also getting a nice little stretch here. Okay, that's important. Now, around the eyes, okay, at the wiper blades, right? I call them the wiper blades. And I have my two thumbs on either side, my temples, right? And my first fingers, and I do them like that, bring them in to join in the center, right? And then, now this can be tender, right? If you've got kind of sinus problems and stuff, but you can actually just wiper blade over them, right? Wiper blade over your eyebrows. Okay, nice and gently now. You don't want to be too rough, but it can be very tender, right? If it's tender, just lighten up, okay? But if it's not, you're fine, okay? Because you're working in the direction you're supposed to be going in, which is from the inside out at the top, okay? And that works out all the muscles, loads of muscles in your eyebrows. And they all get very tense, especially when your sinuses are giving you trouble, because your sinuses are along here, in here, tips of your eyebrows, right? So you're working all that around. Now you're going to go in circular motion on the outside, right? Circular motion on the two temples there. Forward and now back. Okay. Forward and then back. Then you're going to get your hand, flat hand like that, and put it on your forehead. Okay? And you're going to lift the whole lot up and down and up and down. You can just leave it there then for a minute, you know. Support your forehead in your hand and just relax there for a minute. Take a nice deep breath in and out. And the warmth from your hand against your forehead is actually very therapeutic. Okay. Now, circular motions. We're going to do like that, just inside the eyebrow, just there. Okay. Circular motion there. Circular motion here, just at the tips of the nostrils. Okay. Circular motion there. Just halfway up the nose there. Okay. There's points in there. Here's a circular motion. And then you're going to work your way down here to the corners of the mouth. Your circular motion there. Forward and back. Okay, and then the tip of the chin there. Okay, circular motion there. Underneath the lip, the bottom lip, there's a circular motion there. Yeah. Very gently, just very, and under the nose there, circular motion there. Then your third eye is here. Okay, your middle of your forehead. Your brow line. Okay, and then the next one is you're going to get 3 fingers, right? 3 fingers like this, and put them just up from the eyebrow there. Okay. Okay, you're gonna just gently get a bit of circular motion there. Okay, and move down here to the sides of the ears. Okay, and just run your hands down your locks, just the other side of the head there. Okay, and down the back of your hands, down your neck. Okay, so all good drainage there. Okay. Okay. And this is lovely. If you've got a nice moisturizer at night, just when you're putting it on, your night creams or whatever you use there at night time to keep you looking so young. You have and you can put it on, and it's lovely just to massage down the side and up like that, up and down. It's great for drainage. Okay, lymphatic drainage. Okay. All righty. Okay, I think I've everything done. You can get different objects. I don't have them on me now, but you can get the rollers and stuff to use as well as your hands, and they're lovely because they're very cooling, especially on the forehead and stuff. They're really, really good. And again, you can pinch up the jawline, gently pinch up the jawline if you want. Gently pinch around the face, just very gently. It stimulates all the different parts of the muscle, and it just gets a bit of movement and blood circulating through the muscle and the tissues, you know, because you've all blood vessels and everything inside there as well, like, so you've got to get them all kind of just tapped nicely, you know, so they're moving. Okay.